Look, put it in the pocket, whatever side the hands are clasped on. Don't always just put it in the same pocket.
Okay.
Keep them over here, put it in that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get the
right
hips
there.
down. Look, here, go on me.
Okay.
Just hips go down and they go away.
Yeah.
One leg goes away.
Yeah.
Down the pocket and turn.
Okay. Do an arm direction then.
Okay. I did it.
Yeah, I got you.
Let's work in one of it. All right, let's get your reps in. Hips go down.
Oh yeah.
Like you squat. There you go. But not all the way. It's not like a full squat, like a quarter squat. There you go. One leg goes out. Both hands on top of theirs.
Let me do this one.
See, look, you're not escaping your hips. Look how close they are. Get them out there, yeah.
Okay.
You're going to me once. Mine go, look, I take that one step with the leg to get the hips out, put the pocket.
Okay.
Whatever side, say I want to put on this
Yeah.
side, that leg's going to come out.
Oh.
Then
Oh.
it turn into it.
All right.
There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
It puts backwards pressure into them.
Okay. Yeah, exactly.
And then brings, like,
The
they're
force.
easier to lift when your hips are right here. Now put them out there. I can't, but look,
Oh.
right here,
Oh.
easy.
Okay.
Perfect. Turn right into them. Back to the clinch, which was in green. Bam. Right to here.